Hi, I'm Aaron.
And I'm Amy, and we're here to introduce to you our Zero Hour, the first modular, waterproof, and tactical-grade battery backup flashlight.
We've been business partners for over 6 years, and we currently own a small company that designs and develops LED lights.
We've always been fascinated with LED technology, ranging from small marker lights to larger event lighting. And using our experience, we spent the last 11 months developing and designing the Zero Hour.
The Zero Hour is a combination of a high-powered LED flashlight and portable USB battery backup all in one.
What is also unique about our design is that unlike traditional battery backups, the Zero Hour is modular, which means each piece can be taken apart and replaced. For example, if the battery stops holding its charge, you can replace the batteries without needing to replace the entire flashlight.
The quality and power behind our battery backup flashlight is unmatched.
Every aspect of this product was designed with durability and functionality in mind. As a flashlight, the Zero Hour emits 1,000 lumens. It's waterproof and shockproof. And as a battery backup, it can provide more than 10,000 milliamps of power.
Also, in order to provide a quality product that's going to last, we will construct the Zero Hour in 6061 aircraft aluminum with a Type 3 hard anodized anti-abrasive finish, and top it off with a Cree XML U3 LED.
So no matter where you're at or what you're doing, you can always rely on the Zero Hour.
The Zero Hour is not your typical battery backup flashlight, but if you're looking for a tactical grade flashlight with a lot of battery backup power, the Zero Hour will exceed your expectations.
Kickstarter, we're really excited and confident in the quality of our product, and we hope you are too.
This has been a really long journey for us, and we have spent many sleepless nights working on bringing it this far. We have taken all the necessary steps in designing and developing the working prototypes, and we are now in the final stages.
And now we just need your help with tooling, packaging, and to meet the minimum order requirement. With your backing, we can make the Zero Hour available to everyone. Your support is greatly appreciated. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Chris.
And I'm Derek.
And this is PAL. A lighting solution that will change the way you see the world. On its own, PAL is a powerful light designed for rugged applications. It transforms by pairing with accessories to deliver illumination wherever it's needed. It lets you get out in the world in ways that you didn't before, because life doesn't have to be indoors when the sun goes down. As city dwellers who double as outdoorsmen, we rely on portable lights to enable our adventures. Whether in the woods, the urban streets, or our own backyards. But traditional single-use devices weren't working. Since they're made for one purpose, they end up sitting in a drawer, and when it's time to use them, the batteries are dead or rusted solid. We wanted a reliable companion, as versatile as our lifestyles, that delivered high performance. A light that can truly adapt to any situation. That's why we designed PAL. PAL delivers 15 hours of continuous light, with flood and spot modes, 3 brightness settings, and an intuitive 4-button interface. When paired with its accessories, PAL becomes a flashlight, a headlamp, a bike light, a lantern, and a task light. And in each of these categories, it performs among the best in class. We worked with an amazing team of designers and engineers through countless iterations of the design. We really focused on developing a mechanical and electrical connection that would enable a seamless and delightful user experience. And each of the PAL's accessories makes it stronger. The flashlight handle doubles the battery life, while the other accessories provide limitless utility. In order to bring our products to the world, we need your help.
By supporting our campaign, you can ensure that we have the resources to move into mass manufacturing and be one of the first to use PAL.
We can't wait to see where it takes you.
You bought a mini flashlight and you love it, but you find batteries run out quickly, and you find you need more and more batteries, and you find it's costly to change battery frequently, and you find changing batteries is a torture for your big hand. And You don't love it anymore. You are upset. Now you find there's another choice. It's Pisa Light. It's tiny. It's tiny. It's tiny. Well, it's important. So I say 3 times. It's much more stylish. It's much brighter. It's water resistance. And most important, it's rechargeable. It has a built-in charging indicator. You can switch on and off easily by rotating the light head. Now you have a new mini flashlight. It runs longer. No more battery cost. No more torture. You are happy now, and you love Pisa Light.